Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which will show the size of NPM packages right in the VS Code itself. So this is the extension. So just go to extensions tab and just write here size of NPM, and the very first extension which comes right here it's called as bundle size. It's got 64,000 installs. So as you can see in the extension, it shows you the size of each package here, bundle size package. So simply click the install button to install this package. So once the package is activated, you simply go to the file. So this is wherever you are importing the package here, it will actually show the size of the package. So just you require the package here. So once the extension is activated, you just need to, I think, restart. Yeah, sorry. I think it works with the import statement. So as you can see, it will display the size of this package side by side. So that way you will actually know the size of each package directly inside. I I think it only works with the import statement. If I change this to, so I think it works with only import statement. So you import the package here. So then it will show you the size of the package. So there is other extensions as well, which does the same thing. I think this one also. So simply install it and start using it. It will display the size of each package right in VS Code. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.